This is a quick introduction to the creation of a portfolio for any of you who are not sure about what to do. Okay, so number one, basic data, personal data. So you just on one page, I think that is plenty. Just like this, you can address those points. Okay, then the education, university transcripts, teacher certificate. So here is the frontispiece for my education section, and I've basically just included everything from my degree to my CELTA, blah blah blah, and of course teacher's license. Now next, self-development. Okay, everything should apply self-development. Everything should apply to this academic year, which is 2022. Okay, so first of all, seminar dates. If you've got certificates or anything from the seminar, you put it in here. Okay, I've also put it in the handout at the back here, just for good measure. Okay, let's see, where are we now? Okay, statistics for being present. The HR department can give you some, can supply this. Personally, I don't like to ask them because they're so busy. So I have just kept a record myself of my timekeeping. Okay, now let's go on to the next one. Personal developments. Personal development. Okay, activity is attended. So if you've been at any competitions or shows, so I basically have here a poster about the speech competition. That's what I was involved with, and then Lawrence Logan and myself helped some students with interview skills once or twice in the library, so that's a photograph from that. Okay, now self-created media, links, and more links. Okay, let's have a look. This is the frontispiece. Now it's very easy to create QR codes from the Kahoots that you've done. I created a YouTube video that's accessible here about this lesson, slice of pie. And then moving forward, quizzes, QR codes, Quizlet, and over here we have, I'm very fond of Microsoft Forms, so there's more activities from Microsoft Forms. Okay, obviously, yes, listening, IELTS listening. This is assignment one. Assignment one, they have a choice. Okay, now, where are we going? Right, action research. There's a recognized format which I will share. Okay, enough about that. Now, written articles, mission statement. So the mission statement is basically different for everybody. This is what mine looks like. Okay, and then after that, what have we got? Let's see. 2 books summarized. Okay, a book review. It doesn't have to be. It can be about education, or it can be about teachers' experiences. That's totally your call. It doesn't have to be related to education. Okay, and then student projects, work, etc. So here I have some. Oh yes, this time you have to submit some essay feedback. So it's very upper. Batting 4, 5 and 6, we need to be helping the students with IELTS essays. So I have included some here. Okay, this is writing part 1 and so on. Okay, and here's some more work from the students, not necessarily related to IELTS. Okay, if you've got any questions, just ask. Take it easy. How do I stop?